Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love. Today we are going to be making a tea. Okay, I'm going to be using this M and S powder for the first time. So I'm using fenugreek seed and rosemary. We need a clean jar just like this. And I'm going to be adding my fenugreek seed inside the jar, so as my rosemary. So for my proportion, I'm using half teaspoon for eat for each of the ingredient. Like for fenugreek seed, half teaspoon. For rosemary, half teaspoon. I'm also going to be putting all the benefits of this ingredient I'm using on the screen. Okay, guys. So I am going to be using this in two ways. Okay. The first one, I'm going to use the first one with the MS MSM. I'm going to be using, like, I'll split this my fenugreek water into two. All right, because the MSM, you don't need to be doing it, putting it on your hair every day. Okay, so I need my everyday tea, but I also need another boost. So the MSM on, I'll be using it three times in a week, while the remaining fenugreek seed water, I'll be using it every day. So this is a 1 week batch, or like say 2 weeks batch. Okay, guys. So this, inside this container, this is my spray bottle. I'm going to be putting the MS MSM, like that thing to to remember the name of this is very hard. So this is my first time using it. I just purchased this. I have done my research about it and I found out that it's good for hair growth. Okay, but I am not going to be taking this internally. I'm using 1/4, but you're meant to use 1/8. From the research I did, you're meant to use 1/8. So I'm not going to fold the 1/4 spoon just to get like 1/8. So from the research I did, it said that you need to start from small, then you now build up. So right now I'm starting from small batch, and I'm not going to be taking this from my inside, like taking it maybe with water or with my coffee or beverages. You can do that, but for me, I am not going to be doing that. Okay, because I'm already taking um hair supplements, so I don't want to like mix everything together. So this one, I'm going to be using this for my hair. So the one in the spray bottle, I'm using it three times in a week, while the one in the in my jar like this, I'm going to be spraying this every day on my hair. So this is application. This is the one. I'm first of all use the one with the MSM. Yes. So as I said earlier on, I've already put the benefit on the screen. So it's really good for hair growth. It promotes hair growth. So I'm spraying this directly on my scalp, then I massage it. Spray directly on my scalp, then I massage it. That's what I will be doing. And I just hope and I pray this grow my hair. With the research I saw, I hope it works for me as well, because I have seen a lot of people's video talking about this, both the good and the bad, about this MSM. So I just hope it works for me. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know, have you used this before? Did it work for you? Can drop in the comment section. This is my first time doing this, and we'll see results maybe at the end of the month, because I heard that it takes up to like 2 months before you can see actual growth on your hair. So I am not in a haste about this particular one. Yeah, so I'm just going to be using my leave-in condition to condition my hair, then I'll do the rest of my moisturizing routine. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I'll also be using this my dermato roller as well, just to help us with our front edges. So I've used my hair grease, I've used my oil. Okay, so right now I want to moisturize the end of my hair by using this my Avidevic butter. Okay, it's already in the channel, you can do it, check it out. So I always use this to moisturize the ends of my hair so that it does not get dry. So after I finish applying everything of my hair, I take my scalp massager and massage my scalp. I swear, I massage my scalp for like 2 minutes here. So guys, this is after 1 week of pouring this on my hair. Not every day. As I said earlier on, I did this 3 times in a week. I pour it 3 times in a week on my hair. So this is 1 week of spraying it on my hair, and I'm done with that batch I did. So I think I'm gonna do another batch again. Maybe I'll be adding this MSM in any of my hair treatments. Okay, the ones I'll be using 3 times in a week, and the other ones I'll be doing them every day. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I don't know if I should say there's growth or not, but this is my first time trying it. I didn't have any side effect. Like they said there was a lot of like headaches, nausea, and the rest. So I didn't have that. So I think I'll do this again. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.